It's not an unknown name. कि ओबराय साहब को कोई ना जानता हो ऐसे तो
देहरादून से बैंगलोर.
What is the
बिल्कुल
most
सही
bizarre
बात.
definition of Beverly you've heard?
If someone tries regular standard marketing on you, would you be skeptical or not?
Yeah.
उस पे भी ना दो चीजें आती हैं. एक होता है जो सुनना चाहते हैं,
हाँ.
उनको समझाना आसान है. जो सुनना नहीं चाहते ना, अब मैंने छोड़ दिया बताना.
I was a DSA lead and I've seen people doing really good and they backed out because they thought like, do we still get enough money yet?
The way you start looking at collective responsibility after that, ना, it changes you entirely.
For sure.
कोई डेवरल मान लो है और वो फिर ज्यादा जाके चौड़ दे रहा है.
हाँ, वो बज रहा है सबके
होते
सामने.
हैं.
सबके सामने.
फिर उनकी बजनी चाहिए.
As a software engineer, I often wondered what do developer relations or DevRel folks even do? Are they just being paid to travel to conferences and market out the product? To explore these questions and to challenge the stereotypes, we sat down with Aditya Oberoi, a leading figure in the Indian DevRel community. He currently works at AppWrite and was recently awarded CMX DevRel Professional of the Year award. So we asked him some of our most intrusive thoughts like, do DevRels even know how to code? Or are they just doing plain marketing? Or like, why do they even get so much hate on social media? And while he helped us uncover what are the challenges of this unique job. So this is Aditya on Breaking Prod Season 1.
Season 1, Aditya Oberoi.
Let's start. We have Aditya Oberoi with us. Let's fucking go, man. इतने दिनों बाद I think I'm meeting you for the first time पहली बात तो.
Probably.
हाँ.
मतलब virtually
I've
देख
heard-
रखा है.
Virtually yes, virtually
Right.
I've heard about you with ये Just के through, Anuj के through, ऐसे
हाँ.
Twitter पे, LinkedIn पे I think you're pretty famous already, so it's not it's not an unknown name. कि ओबराय साहब को कोई ना जानता हो ऐसे तो कम
देहरादून
लोग
से
हैं.
बैंगलोर तक.
देहरादून से बैंगलोर तक and I mean recently you were in US as well. So अब तो बाहर
घूमते
विदेश
रहते हैं.
विदेश के लोग भी जानते हैं अब कि कौन है
घूमते रहते हैं,
ये.
बस.
Yeah, you were there for the CMX community.
They
relations
had
award.
their summit,
Yeah,
annual summit, so I was there for that.
yeah, and you won that best
Yes.
DevRel, I would say.
He's being humble,
Oh,
not mentioned.
You're very very humble. So like big congratulations for that.
Thank
man.
you.
That was good. उसके बाद मतलब so मैंने जब वो देखा कि when I was he was showing कि देखो भाई तेरे को अवार्ड मिला है, फिर मैं सोचने लगा अबे यार ये अवार्ड्स फिल्म फेयर जैसे होते हैं या फिर like इसके पीछे कुछ प्रोसेस होता है. Like how do you even land in that zone? Like उसमें और भी कैटेगरीज
There's
होंगे
like a
I'm sure.
proper process, हाँ.
हाँ. So like how does that look like? in
So
general?
with CMX particularly, no,
Hmm.
within the community industry at least,
Hmm.
CMX has been a big enough name for a while now.
Okay.
Especially when it comes to a community for community builders,
Mm-hmm.
creating educational resources for them, things like that. And so I think they've had these awards for the last 6 years or something like that now. And so currently what their process includes is, शुरू में तो there is a nomination.
Hmm.
Open for all. You can either self-nominate या किसी और ने किया. Both ways are valid. Ideally, what will happen is if you nominate yourself, that's a good thing because you can be as descriptive about it. If someone else nominates you, they'll reach out for you to share more about your work within your category. And there are a lot of categories. Like professional categories अपनी होती हैं. Like the one I was in was for DevRel professionals. There is one for customer success professionals or executive leaders of community teams, gaming community professionals. So there are a number of those. Then there are awards for organizations as well. Ki for any specific non-profits or for any actual company's community that has done well, stuff like that. And so nomination के बाद क्या होता है? There is a voting round, public vote. Public vote के बाद they'll pick out the top 3. And for top 3 में combining that factor, it is 1 out of 6 or 7 criteria. And then बाकी आपके profile, any links you've shared, any मतलब looking at all of that, there is a judging process which is anonymized as well.
Okay.
So जो भी top 3 हैं, there'll be like a panel of 3 judges or so. मतलब 3, 4 ऐसी कुछ number होता है. I think हमारे case में 3 था. And so they'll remove every company name,
Okay.
your individual name, anything that can directly tie it back to one of the candidates.
Okay. So how
And
like,
so-
how will people know कि कौन किसको vote कर रहा
So
है क्या?
based on that profile,
Ah.
you will mark on specific criteria.
Okay.
And then finally वो फिर
Oh.
on that
Okay.
profile
Bias
what
ना
was
हो
the-
ताकि because of
Makes
any
हाँ,
of those things.
कि like क्योंकि उसमें क्या है ना कि एक तो है कि आप अपना वर्क क्वांटिफाइबली कितना शो कर सकते हो,
Hmm.
दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट,
Hmm.
है ना. दूसरा ऑब्वियसली रेंज ऑफ एफर्ट्स, काइंड्स ऑफ
Okay.
कंट्रीब्यूशंस,
Mhm.
and अब वो किस कंपनी को is one thing, but the kind of contributions can still be shared, right?
Hmm.
So keeping all of that in mind, फिर जाके after the final judging, they pick the winners.
तो वहाँ पे यू गेट टू नो, या फिर तुम्हें मतलब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल ऐसा होता है ना कि जिससे फिल्म फेयर में नॉमिनीज भी जाते हैं, अवार्ड शोज में नॉमिनीज जाते हैं, बट आई थिंक
So
दे समवेयर
इसका
नो
क्या
कि
करते हैं कि
किसको मिलना है.
समिट पे तो समिट से पहले पता लग चुका होता है. So summit
Hmm.
happened right now,
ओके.
but January they had announced the winners
अच्छा
publicly.
अच्छा अच्छा.
Like हाँ, वो उन्होंने कर दिया था. They had like a little virtual event of sorts because
हम्म.
it doesn't make sense कि in person सबको बुला के
हाँ,
फिर वो
मतलब तुम
decide
इतना
किया जाए.
इन्वेस्ट करके जाओ
वो
वहाँ पे
इन्वेस्टमेंट बहुत
फिर.
हाई होता है एक तो.
And is are they like sponsoring it or do you go?
So the conference ticket in itself is $500-$700, something like that.
Okay.
वो टिकट फ्री हो जाती है.
Hmm.
मेरे केस में my company sponsored my travel and stay.
अच्छा.
So वो चीज हो गया. And in a lot of cases for a lot of people that does end up happening कि आपके learning budgets हैं कुछ हैं.
Correct.
Hmm.
Because it's directly industry relevant and the quality of content they discuss is pretty good. It's very practically oriented.
अच्छा.
So there is matlab value if you are in that industry. So people do take out of the learning budgets and so on.
हम्म.
So मेरे केस में हाँ, my company sponsored my travel and ticket वगैरह उधर जो था वो था.
Are you like one of the first developers in India to get it, or has anyone?
India's surprisingly been very successful with this particular one. So India's had a few different winners.
Okay.
Paras Pandיר has been a winner.
Okay.
He was one of the first community builders for community builders
Okay.
around the world, not even just in India. Like his community, which is called Community Folks, is still active today, and
Okay.
he spearheaded Microsoft Reactor ka development
Correct.
in India, things like that. Cherish Santoshi has won the award. He won last to last year.
Correct.
उससे पहले भी there have been people, one or two. So India has done decently within CMX's awards.
And like, is it just for the developed category या सब में ऐसे
They've
ही
got a
हुआ?
variety. Like,
अच्छा.
मतलब हाँ, India में भी
India के लिए
had
में, specifically.
across developed. But Paras was, for example, he was an overall winner. They removed that this year.
Okay.
Which I
Overall
think-
winner would be like बहुत
Like
diverse
what
नहीं हो
happened
गया
last year,
मतलब.
for example, जैसे पहले क्या होता था? Category winners में से I think whoever scored the best, something like that would have been picked.
Okay.
But I think they did away with the overall winner
हाँ.
this year entirely, which I think makes sense because
हाँ, मतलब
cross category it's very
हाँ.
difficult.
how
to
would you
that.
judge like one category
Exactly.
to the other, because both work
Very
profiles are
true.
very different.
Very
and-
Criteria are very different. for
Although,
those.
in fairness, I think even over the last few years, I've seen some of the overall winners and they were very well deserving winners. So I think they did well with that, but I think this just removes any
हाँ.
possible biases as well.
हाँ,
and
मतलब
keeps
अगर
things fair.
जो लोग नहीं जीतेंगे उनको तो लगेगा ना कि अरे यार ये
बात
किस
बिल्कुल
कैटेगरी से
ठीक
हो
है।
गया भाई.
But the thing is, at least ये चीज होती थी कि जो लोग जीत भी रहे ना वो,
हाँ.
like even if you wouldn't win that, you were still winning a category.
Yeah.
So
Correct.
within
भी है.
your domain, at least you
हाँ,
were
your
still
domain में तो best हो ही तुम, and
हाँ.
you're overall best as well. So
exactly.
There's just an added kind
So
of thing.
yeah, it's an added benefit. And other than that, matlab, we've had winners over a couple of categories. So India's done decently. In India, community industry's grown quite a lot over the last few years. Like अच्छे से चल रहा है.
How long have you been doing it? अब?
So I mean, I've been working professionally for about 2.5 years now.
Okay.
Started before I graduated only, but even before that, I'd done internships, a lot of voluntary work, contractual work, साल 2 साल किया. So relevant experience तो build up हो ही रहा था.
What do you say? जैसे कि मतलब अगर मैं डेवरल को बाहर से देखूं, to be honest, as a developer, मेरे लिए बहुत confusing है. What is the job profile in the end? So what is the
बिल्कुल
most
सही
bizarre
बात.
definition of deveral you've heard? किसी से कि like अगर तुमने किसी को बताया मैं deveral करता हूँ और उन्होंने कुछ तो जज किया हो ऐसा कि ये क्या काम है? Like what do you have any
कई लोग
particular-
होते हैं ना कि मार्केटिंग को बस टाइटल दे दिया.
हाँ,
वो वाला,
कि
हाँ.
are you just an engineer in marketing, or like are you
So-
an engineer in engineering team doing marketing for them, or is it not marketing at all?
I think it's somewhere in the middle of all of that.
Okay.
ठीक है. So when I talk about it, I like to take a few steps back to understand why this was necessary in the first place. है ना?
Correct.
तो अब इस पे ना मैं रिवर्स करके तुम्हारी क्वेश्चनिंग करूंगा थोड़ी. ठीक है.
हाँ, very well.
Which I think is gonna make a lot of sense.
हाँ,
है ना?
for sure.
So let's go back 15 years in time. Think of companies in the world, not just in tech, but generally all around. How many companies can you imagine 15 years back that had built any product that was meant for developers. Chahe it's
I
a
don't-
programming language,
Yeah,
chahe it's
mostly-
a database, chahe it's an IDE, anything.
Yeah,
very
very few. what I
few
would
भी
say.
I'll say कि
Microsoft,
yeah.
हाँ, गिन चुन के I think big tech
Apple,
जो इस समय है.
very few
हाँ,
companies,
those would be
right?
the ones possibly.
And they also would have been secondarily developer focused. Primarily, maybe their customer
Consumer
was someone
हाँ,
else.
focused. Yes.
Think of the scenario today now. कितने databases हैं आज?
Yeah. I mean, the endless and coming.
Every week,
and
हाँ,
coming.
every week
कितनी
you'll get one.
API companies हैं?
Yeah.
And that number has grown a lot.
Yeah.
Right? अब चलो कोई एक company है, they're selling to developers, or you are developers, right? Think of yourself buying a product, like you spending money on an API tool or on a cloud platform. If someone tries a regular standard marketing on you, would you be skeptical or not?
Yeah, because हमको पता है ना बना रहे हैं, तो हमको पता है
कौन
कि
कहाँ
ये
घपला
कितना
कर रहा है, समझ आता है।
कहाँ पे
है ना?
कॉर्नर कट किया है इसने, कहाँ पे क्या
Exactly.
किया है, वो तो हमको भी दिख रहा है. in
So,
the end.
what these companies have realized is if you want to talk to developers and work with developers, you want someone who has been in the same shoes. So, what DevRel effectively does is it is going to have people who can work with tech, understand people building with tech, understand their problems, understand how to communicate with them, and then do all of that.
Makes sense.
Right? So you have to be able to build, you have to be able to communicate, you have to be able to understand people. And अब हाँ, जहाँ तक हम work functions की बात करते हैं, और जब communication की आप बात करो, that can have marketing roles, right? That can have marketing goals as well. Align करते हैं growth goals. There's no denying that. And I don't think it's a bad thing either.
Yeah.
Sometimes it'll have a goal of improving the product. Sometimes it'll have a more engineering oriented process as well. Ki you've understood these problems and you need to implement that. Right? Sometimes it'll be just getting that feedback, building that community, and then defining how product strategy should go forward. So
Okay.
it is very multifaceted. ये सब हो गया. कई बार education is a priority, right? So most people in DevRel have to be jacks of a lot of trades. Maybe a master of one or more. Typically that is a good thing. But there is a lot of different things you could be doing within DevRel.
Makes
I think that actually adds to the confusion is because
Yeah.
इतनी सारी चीजें possible है ना. अब some companies will need focus on one front. Some will
Yeah.
need focus
क्योंकि
on
सब
the
लोग कुछ
other.
अलग ही करवा रहे हैं in the end.
हाँ.
कि अगर तुम किसी को बोलो कि ये बैकएंड डेवलपर है, या मैं जैसे मेरे को
Exactly.
बोले कि तुम फ्रंट एंड हो, तो मुझे इन जनरल उस सामने वाले को समझ में आ जाएगा कि कुछ तो फ्रंट लाइक यूजर फेसिंग कुछ कर रहा होगा in the end. राइट, बट एज अ डेवरल आई थिंक ये बहुत ही
It's just
मिक्स्ड रोल है बहुत सारी
because
चीजों का.
it's still a smaller domain. It's been around for a while. The first major people in DevRel that you would have heard of would have come back in the late 80s.
Okay.
People like Guy Kawasaki at Apple, for example.
Okay.
Or, if you look at Microsoft's history and you see people like Scott Hanselman, or if you look at Google and you see Kelsey Hightower,
Correct.
they have been some of the best forebearers of what DevRel should be like.
But this word was it around? I don't think it was it around.
You would have
but
heard the word technical evangelist probably.
हाँ,
Correct.
technical
Right.
evangelist, yes.
Which grew into developer evangelist. Now, what developer relations is that it is the umbrella on top of this. है ना? Like for example, front end हो या back end, software engineering will remain an umbrella.
Correct. तो इन
So,
दोनों का इस तरह के roles का umbrella
Developer
is-
relations is the umbrella. You'll hear different titles within that.
Hmm.
Sometimes it will be a community manager, sometimes it will be a technical writer, maybe a developer advocate. So all of them have a slight difference in how they operate, but the general umbrella it still exists, and that's what DevRel
Makes
is.
sense. So don't you like when you have conversation with their friends, right? Then उनको जब नहीं पता होगा कि DevRel में actually क्या होता है, like what is their reaction generally?
अब उस पे भी ना दो चीजें आती हैं. एक होता है जो सुनना चाहते हैं,
हाँ.
उनको समझाना आसान है. जो सुनना नहीं चाहते ना, अब मैंने छोड़ दिया बताना.
क्या?
ऑन कर दो. हाँ, you can continue.
क्योंकि मतलब वो फायदा नहीं होता. जिसने नहीं सुनना ना, उसने नहीं सुनना. वो लड़ेंगे, वो फालतू उल्टा सीधा कुछ ना कुछ बोलेंगे भी. तुम्हारी लाइफ में फ्रस्ट्रेशन बढ़ेगा, क्या फायदा. तो पहले तो मैं कोशिश भी करता था समझाने का, मैंने छोड़ दिया. नहीं आ रहा कोई नहीं.
But have you seen someone commenting over your profile or your work that you feel like, yeah, I'm doing so much around this, and just people are
I
pointing
think
out those
what
wrong
happens
things.
is if people look at my work and they say so, then there's a high chance I have not put it out in a manner where it should be understood in, right? So if someone's gonna go out and say कि तुम कुछ नहीं कर रहे, तो मैं फिर देखूंगा कि अगर मैं इतना कुछ कर रहा हूँ और लोग को लग रहा है कुछ नहीं कर रहे, तो फिर why isn't that coming across?
Yeah.
But also, they are just jealous
Because
of your work.
I think some people, yes,
Hmm.
but most people aren't coming from that perspective. It's also just a matter of confusion कि नहीं पता, है ना?
Fair.
Most people aren't malicious that way. तो मैं कहता हूँ कि ठीक है, थोड़ा एफर्ट डालना पड़ेगा because it's a new domain. अगर लोग को समझना है तो किसी को तो एफर्ट डालना पड़ेगा समझाने का.
तुमको कब
है ना?
चमका ये चीज?
हाँ जी.
तुमको कब चमका ये चीज की
Someone has to take that.
मतलब जैसे बचपन से
अब होता
अगर
क्या
तो
है ना?
तुम्हें नहीं पता होगा फॉर श्योर आई बिलीव
Obviously.
कि मतलब
Right.
ये कोई चीज हो सकती है, ऐसा कोई फील्ड हो सकती है, एंड यू माइट हैव
बिल्कुल.
आल्सो हर्ड कि भाई इंजीनियरिंग के थ्रू कॉलेज में भी आई डोंट थिंक सो कि कितना एनवायरनमेंट था.
I was a little lucky that way because college level पे I was just very involved in co-curriculars outside of class. It started hackathon college का हो रहा है उसमें volunteering से कि sponsorship का काम कर रहे हैं, है ना? That kind of exposed me to communities and community programs like the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassadors, Google Developer Student Clubs, things like that.
Okay.
अब honestly when I started I was like कि भाई एक तो टैग अच्छा लगता है, ठीक है, it's nice to have
For
Microsoft
sure.
on your resume, no one will say it's a bad thing,
करेक्ट.
right? तब थोड़ा like it was a lot earlier for some of these programs as well. अभी there are a lot more people involved, there's a lot more awareness, which I think is a good thing. Tab it was still growing, at least in India, and for us we had the kind of sweet spot where support had started coming in, but it was still an early enough stage that we were very early to a lot of these activities. When I started getting involved in some of these, मैंने तो बहुत अपना base build किया through Microsoft student programs. The people involved there were people who were advocates and community managers and so on, and not just students involved. It was also that we had very direct access to Microsoft's DevRel team, and so I think for me it was just I went in with an open mind कि है क्या, देखते गए, thought it was interesting, and but I think I didn't make my decision that early. My decision to kind of make this a career option was only end of third year. Like this was all end of first year, second year शुरू हो गया था, but it wasn't until I did like a software engineering internship, I did a community management internship, I did a user researcher internship. ये सब करके फिर जाके कॉल लिया कि हाँ I want something that gives a balance across. मेरे को ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मेरे को full time community management करना है, मेरे को ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मेरे को full time software engineering करना है. And for me that kind of a balance where I got enough time to work with tech and enough people focused work was DevRel. Fortunately somehow because ये सारा काम कर रहे थे ना, तो and because I'd experimented enough, तो उस चीज का बेस बन गया था where I was just well set up for it anyway.
Yeah, I think you
But
had that exposure for it.
Luckily. And but the exposure तो available होता है, you've also got to keep an open mind to that.
हाँ.
For sure.
है ना? A lot of people don't keep an open mind and sometimes डर की वजह से कि क्या है नहीं समझ आ रहा,
कि
which is
मतलब
a
कुछ
very
होगा
fair
भी कि
reason.
नहीं होगा हमारा
है ना?
इसमें टाइप्स. और दूसरा एक ये भी मुझे लगता है कि अगर तुम्हें पता नहीं है तो यू विल बी वेरी स्केप्टिकल ऑफ इट.
Skeptical होते भी हैं.
पता नहीं क्या ही है.
अब पता है उसमें भी क्या फैक्टर है. कई लोग के लिए डर is also, for me for example, I have the fortune to come from some amount of privilege, in the sense कि कल को जॉब बहुत हाई पेइंग नहीं भी होती तो it wouldn't have been a very big worry for me. Fortunately घर businesses हैं सब हैं, so I come from a privileged family, right? अब जिसका नहीं है वो चीज, they will want to take an option that is a little less risky, right? So some of those fears are valid as well. But हाँ फिर कई लोग आते हैं वो just skeptical anyway because why not? That is in my opinion stupid. वो भी नहीं होना चाहिए. But ठीक है, मतलब I think risk लिया, people didn't understand, but अपने लिए it worked out. थोड़ा selfish बनो.
Because I have seen the second category people, because I have worked with communities.
Yeah,
we were there
exactly.
together, right? I was a DSC lead, and I've seen people doing really good, and they backed out because they thought like, do we still get enough money? At that time, they were very skeptical,
The
so
thing
they
is
moved out
कि
because of that.
That is also a very valid concern.
Yeah, very
right?
very valid concern.
And of course, across domains, pay structures will vary.
Correct.
One thing that tech does well is, if you do well,
It will
tech
treat
is very, very lucrative. A lot of domains aren't like that.
Yeah, correct.
So, and your money factor होता है. if you're not being well paid, you will rethink what you're
For
doing.
sure,
आधे लोग MBA क्यों करते हैं?
मतलब कितने दिन के लिए तुम एक लो पेइंग जॉब पे काम करोगे वाला चीज है, कहीं ना
वो
कहीं
छोड़ो
चुलाएगी
यार,
ना तुम्हारे।
कितने लोग हैं छोटा मोटा जॉब किया, MBA किया,
हाँ।
फाइनेंसेस, बैंक जॉब्स क्यों करते हैं, है ना?
Correct.
Why is investment banking and all
हाँ,
that still
all of
very
that, I think कोई भी अगर मेरे
attractive?
को
It's because the
बोलता है
money factor
कि
is there.
For sure.
I need to go to
है ना?
like Wall Street वाला चीज, like they're just
बिल्कुल होता है।
doing it for the money
and
mostly.
and I don't mind that reason. I think अब जिसको भाई तुम्हें पता है तुम्हें घर अपना कैसे चलाना है ना? हाँ, एक चीज है कि obviously coming from money and not coming from money makes a very different perspective. Where I will say people who come from money have a higher tendency to think more about there is more in life
Correct.
in front of money. जिनके पास वो privilege नहीं होता, it is a very different mindset. So there is a lot of variance across things, है ना? फिर what is sustainable, what is not, बहुत चीज़ है उसमें, वो तो फिर अलग ही philosophical discussion चला जाएगा. But मतलब ठीक है, जिसके अपने reasons हैं, it's a fair reason, right?
Do you see a lot of other DevRels also like having that privilege? That's why they shifted to it. Have you seen anyone?
Some yes, some no.
कि बिल्कुल मतलब ऐसा कुछ था नहीं बट बहुत ही भयानक रिस्क लेके चले आए, कुछ पता ही नहीं
I
था।
mean, कईयों का क्या होता है ना कि एक चीज है कि आप इंटरेस्टेड तो कर रहे हो, दूसरा होता है आफ्टर वन पॉइंट यू रियलाइज व्हाट यू आर गुड एट एंड व्हाट यू आर नॉट गुड एट, है ना? अब रिगार्डलेस ऑफ बैकग्राउंड, इफ यू आर बेटर एट दिस देन द अदर स्टफ, तो देन इट मेक्स सेंस टू मेक अ करियर इन दिस, राइट? क्योंकि इफ यू आर ग्रोइंग वेल, इफ यू हैव द फंडामेंटल स्किल्स, इफ यू हैव दैट रॉ एबिलिटी, वो ओवर टाइम मैच्योर होकर यू विल ग्रो एंड यू विल मेक मोर मनी।
ये भी है,
वो तो होगा ही होगा, है ना? तो at one point you've also got to take a call कि what are you actually good at, है ना?
That is a good question for anyone to answer anytime.
Any time of the life.
बिल्कुल। एंड ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब एक जगह पैसा है तो दूसरे में नहीं है, पैसा है दूसरों में भी, मे बी हाँ, बस उतनी भीड़ को नहीं मिलेगा,
हाँ,
है ना?
Correct.
Tech just tends to have more accessible opportunities as compared to a lot of other domains. Like forget DevRel or communities or anything, right? Compare first 10 years in tech versus first 10 years in law, for example. Unless you're coming from a family where someone's already an established lawyer or a judge, you're going to have to struggle for at least 10 years to make any substantial
Correct. This is
money.
concept
And
of
but ठीक है, वो 10 साल के बाद क्या फर्क होता है ना, वो फिर है, right? But वही है कि every domain is going to have that challenge.
I
Tech
think
is
वो
the only really privileged one
law
जहाँ पे
and doctor वाले
बहुत
फील्ड
जगह
में
फर्क
there is
पड़ता है।
something like वो generational वाला चीज है कि like मेरे
बिल्कुल।
पापा डॉक्टर थे तो now I can also be there
वो तो होता
because
ही
I
है, for
get a
sure।
lot of contacts, connections,
वो
plus
तो होता ही है।
experience.
But
यहाँ पे
अब
थोड़ा सा एक
हर साल फिर भी लोग
can-
कर तो रही हैं, who have no
correct
background.
they are doing it because
So-
maybe they like it or maybe
Exactly.
again,
If you're good at something,
हाँ।
if you're interested in something, why not go for that, है ना? Because eventually, if you're interested and you're good enough, you will do well in it. That will happen.
what made you realize this कि like I'm good at this? Was it your school का
I think school mentality made a big difference. Because
which
for
school were
me,
you in वैसे?
I studied at the Doon School
Okay,
back
That-
in Dehradun.
okay, that makes
So
sense.
for me, I did a lot of stuff outside class, school level pay. There was a big emphasis, and I think it's just the way we grew through that. Because यार एक तो ना residential schools का ना फंडा बहुत अलग होता है. The kind of mentality you build, living with that amount of people
Correct,
for
correct.
इतने साल, 6 साल यार, अब at उस टाइम पे ना in school सिर्फ 500 स्टूडेंट्स हैं at any given point. अब आप 6 साल ना 500 लोग के बीच में रह रहे हो, you have to learn how to coexist in a certain habitat. And it's just the way you deal with groups and with people in general changes a lot. And you'll figure out a lot of things at a very early stage. So I think school made a big difference for me for sure. And एक आप fundamental level पे how you think and how you process scenarios ना, once you bring that, that in itself makes a big difference.
You live in Dehradun but still you attended a Doon school, मतलब घर से अलग रह के parents were not.
Why not? So my dad also studied there. I
अच्छा,
was a legacy.
I think that was a
That makes a
continued
difference.
tradition.
But I'll tell you what, I think even if he hadn't been someone who studied there, or if I didn't already have a positive mindset about it, I think it was still a fantastic experience. And मतलब I am very biased towards boarding schools. मैं तो कहता हूँ भाई, मतलब day school.
But this was boarding. I mean, जैसे कि I am a bit biased towards hostels, right? तो
मैं तो कहता हूँ भाई
हाँ।
बढ़िया रहते हैं.
हाँ, कि hostels के
सबको
लिए
रहना
मेरे
चाहिए.
like एक बार वो experiences necessary.
Exactly.
Right. तो वो तो I am also kind of biased. अगर
हाँ.
मेरे को बोले कि I used to generally do day school वाला चीज और एक hostel वाला बोलेगा तो
I feel like
थोड़ा सा-
if you've never experienced that हॉस्टल वाला ना, तो यू मिस्ड आउट
Yeah,
A lot.
missed out a lot.
अ
A
लॉट.
lot.
क्योंकि वो वही मैं अभी एक और एपिसोड में बात कर रहा था, उसमें भी यही बात हो रही थी कि लाइक इट चेंजेस यू फंडामेंटली हाउ यू डील विद सिचुएशंस इन जनरल.
हाँ.
कि क्योंकि अभी तुम्हारे पास देयर इज नो बैक, लाइक गोइंग बैक टू होम एंड रीसेटिंग एवरीथिंग,
बिल्कुल.
राइट?
वो तो
यहाँ पे
होता
यू
ही
हैव
है.
टू डील विद इट डे एंड नाइट.
यू हैव टू बी अकाउंटेबल फॉर योर ओन स्टफ.
Correct, correct.
है ना? अब मैंने गलती करी, मैं भुगतूंगा, मेरे को बचाने नहीं आ रहे.
हाँ
इट्स स्टिल अ प्रोटेक्टेड इनफ एनवायरनमेंट कि आपकी
हाँ.
गलतियां छोटी ही रहती हैं,
हाँ,
बट गलती करी.
मतलब क्राइम नहीं बन जाएगा
तो
अचानक से,
हाँ.
बट स्टिल
हाँ.
देयर विल बी
अब
कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस.
एंड पता है, फिर उसमें भी फर्क होता है. जैसे बैक इन स्कूल, एटलीस्ट जब हम जूनियर्स थे, तो हमारे सीनियर्स ने एक बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग फंडा निकाला था. सो ईच हाउस यू हैड अ ग्रुप व्हिच वाज कॉल्ड, लाइक मतलब सपोज 10th के बच्चे हैं या 9th के या 8th के, दे ऑल बी डिवाइडेड इनटू 5 हाउसेस. अब आप हाउस में रह रहे हो, यू आर लिविंग इन द हाउस. डून स्कूल टर्मिनोलॉजी, दैट ग्रुप वाज कॉल्ड अ फॉर्म. अ बैच वाज कॉल्ड अ फॉर्म.
ओके.
अब आपका जो हाउस वाला फॉर्म है, हमारे हाउस में फंडा ये था, सपोज लाइक एटलीस्ट व्हेन वी वर इन 8th, व्हिच वाज 7 में आप स्कूल ज्वाइन किया, यू वर इन द होल्डिंग हाउसेस. 8th में आप मेन हाउसेस में आ जाते थे,
Okay.
जहां पे यू आर विद द रेस्ट ऑफ द सीनियर्स एंड एवरीवन,
Oh, okay.
राइट? एंड तब के सीनियर्स जो थे, दे हैड दिस वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फंडा. अगर एक इंसान ने गलती करी एंड 20 लोग हैं, बाकी 19 को पनिशमेंट मिलेगी.
Ooh.
द वे वी डेल्ट विद कनेक्ट, लाइक कई बार तो चलो 20 के 20 को देती, बट इन्होंने बीच में ये भी ट्राई किया था. द वे यू स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट कलेक्टिव रिस्पांसिबिलिटी आफ्टर दैट ना, इट चेंजेस यू एंटायरली.
For sure.
That's a very interesting perspective to look at things.
है ना? And so I think a lot of that carries forward as well.
हाँ.
It's, if you want to see a parallel, right? Look at a football match. If one person makes a mistake, the rest can suffer for it as well.
Yeah.
Right? It's the same mentality. So you pick up a lot when you know you've gone through that. And you know, you do it at an early enough stage in your formative years, it's going to build a mindset
Correct.
for a very long time.
Yeah.
So मेरे तो I think school was very good that way, because a lot of my opinions and the way I deal with scenarios at a foundational level was built on that baseline. And that defines how I look at communities and how I look at teams and people and in general.
Makes sense. I think you were kind
So-
of equipped for this then. Somewhere you were
and
being
like-
equipped for this. I think it just.
And I think probably it's also because I had all of that now. Places like boarding schools mean you can't just do academics. You're going to be doing sports. You're going to be
For
doing
sure.
co-curriculars.
हाँ.
You're involved in house activities, involved in school level activities.
Correct.
तो मेरे को तो पहले साल कॉलेज घुसते ही था कि मैं सिर्फ क्लास नहीं बैठ सकता, मेरे को करना है बाहर कुछ.
हाँ.
नहीं तो मैं पागल हो जाता, क्योंकि आदतें बनी ना, 6 साल से आप ये चीज कर रहे
Correct,
हो.
correct,
You can't just cut all of that on. Be like,
I'll sit.
I'll just sit.
But was there any attendance policy MIT में?
बिल्कुल.
75. You were able to manage everything around.
To an extent.
बाकी.
Second
did
year
you-
में हुआ था एक सीन, but I think for the most part मैंने जैसे तैसे figure out कर लिया. ठीक है, कई बारी गलतियां भी करी उस चीज पे, भुगते, सीखे, आगे बढ़ते गए. For me, the COVID-19 pandemic was particularly beneficial. Like just going into a remote scenario enabled a lot of opportunity for me, because एक तो टाइम की कमी नहीं थी, और मैं तो सीधा बोलता हूँ, मैं तो टीम्स पे क्लास चल रही है म्यूट करके बाकी काम करता था.
हाँ.
Most of us.
Most of us would have been doing it.
But that is not true.
That's not true.
I'll tell you, बहुत लोग होते थे बंद करके अपना.
हाँ. अब वो अलग चीज है.
But here's the thing, ना, majority people were doing that. A lot of people didn't spend that time. I think that's also where peer group comes into place. Of my peer group, everyone was doing something productive, because I got involved in community, so I didn't limit my peer group to very specific people in college. A lot of them did not do productive. फिर वो वही होता है ना कि 2 साल 3 साल बाद उसका repercussion दिखता है ना. And ऐसा नहीं कि they aren't doing badly, but एक मैं चीज कहूँगा कि because the amount of work I didn't take a vacation since the start of that time period until I'd actually started working at Apprite. Probably my first vacation and break really happened after that. तो अगर उतना टाइम आप effort डालोगे तो it will have rewards.
For sure.
So वो मेरे लिए फायदा was major in the sense कि I think I just kept opening a lot of opportunities that wouldn't have been available otherwise. And because इतना काम कर रहे थे ना, अब एक तो ना आपको थोड़ा सा ये भी अपने दिमाग में बना लेना चाहिए कि अगर कर रहे हो थोड़ा कॉन्फिडेंस रखो, इवन इफ एन अपॉर्चुनिटी सीम्स आउट ऑफ रीच, हाथ मार लो. लग जाती है कई बारी,
सही बात है.
एंड उसका फायदा बहुत होता है. सो आई तो ट्राइड टू पंच अबव माय वेट क्लास एंड आई थिंक इट हेल्प्ड.
बहुत लोग को आई थिंक आई वुड से कि एक तो आई फील यू कम फ्रॉम अ बैकग्राउंड थोड़ा सा, एंड तो एक माइंडसेट वाला चीज है ना, एक वो बहुत ज्यादा तुम्हें एक होता है ना रेस्टेड ग्राउंड देता है,
हाँ,
राइट?
वो होता है।
यू कैन नॉट जंप ऑन क्विकसैंड, ठीक है?
Very true.
यू नीड अ बेस फॉर
दैट
इट.
इज वेरी ट्रू।
तो अगर तुम्हारे पास एक बेस है, तुम्हारे पास एक डिसेंट लेवल ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस है, तब तुम थोड़ा जंप भी करोगे
तो
ना,
बात
तो तुम्हें
मार
पता है
सकते
कि
हो।
दिस इज वेयर आई विल गो,
वेरी ट्रू
है ना?
वेरी ट्रू।
तो
पर उसमें भी वही होती है कि अगर आपको किसी और ने दिया नहीं तो बेस भी तो खुद बनाना
बनाना
है।
हाँ
पड़ेगा।
करेक्ट, ये बात
अब
भी है.
दैट इज समथिंग अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव टू फिगर आउट।
Yeah,
वो
that
लोग
is-
नहीं करते।
that is
But
true.
that needs a lot of patience, and people lose out while because
What
people
good
are not
thing doesn't
patient.
need patience,
That's
right?
what. No, but in this world, people just lose out on patience.
कहीं तो करना पड़ेगा।
पेशेंस की बात है. दूसरा है कि गोइंग अ लॉन्ग वे विदाउट रिजल्ट्स,
पता है, हाँ,
which you
exactly.
expect वाला चीज
मतलब I'll be honest, मेरे को तो यार ऐसा हाल था जब इतना कॉलेज टाइम बिफोर कोविड करते थे यार, फैकल्टी उल्टा पीठ के पीछे बोल देती थी, है ना?
That
फोर्थ ईयर में जब नौकरी लगी, जब कॉलेज में रिपोर्ट हुआ इतने पैकेज की नौकरी, फिर किसी ने कुछ नहीं बोला उसको।
हाँ, ये चीज को दिमाग में रखना, और ये थोड़ी सी
हाँ, मतलब
मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं इतनी कॉकीनेस चाहिए,
होनी
होनी चाहिए.
इतनी होनी चाहिए कि मतलब ठीक है, as long as you're on ethical grounds,
हाँ
you have to be able to stand your ground, and
वही.
मतलब एटलीस्ट आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपके हिसाब से आप ठीक कर रहे हो या नहीं, है ना? एंड इफ इट्स समथिंग रिस्की, यू हैव टू बी विलिंग टू बी रॉन्ग. अगर आप इफ यू आर नॉट विलिंग टू बी रॉन्ग, तो फिर कभी कुछ एक्चुअली में मतलब नहीं कर पाओगे आप.
मतलब जैसे मी फ्रॉम बीइंग फ्रॉम मिडिल क्लास फैमिली, मेरे लिए ये चीज बोलना बस पेरेंट्स को कि आई एम नॉट सेटिंग फॉर प्लेसमेंट्स वाज अ बिग थिंग, ठीक है? क्योंकि वो उन लोग को भाई तुम नहीं बैठोगे, फिर तुम्हारे टीचर्स मेरे को आके बोलेंगे, माय एचओडी वाज बिहाइंड मी कि भाई तुम बैठ ही नहीं रहे हो, किसी में अप्लाई ही नहीं किया, बिकॉज आई वाज ऑलरेडी वर्किंग बाय दैट टाइम. इन माय 5th ईयर आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग. तो मैंने कहा कि यार मैं ऑलरेडी कर रहा हूँ कुछ ना, तो लाइक इसमें क्या फ्यूचर है? मैंने कहा भाई फ्यूचर बाद देखेंगे, अभी तो मेरे को पैसा आ रहा है ना, अभी मेरे को सही लग रहा है ये चीज, एंड अबव द वेट वाला ही पंच है वो.
एक्चुअली पता है उसमें भी बहुत मेजर फैक्टर होता है. आई थिंक फॉर मी आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ पेरेंटल सपोर्ट, कि उनको भी अगर स्ट्रेस कभी कभी होता ना, तो दे वर विलिंग टू लेट मी टेक अ रिस्क, एंड आई थिंक दैट मेक्स अ बिग डिफरेंस. अगर पेरेंट्स आरंट ऑन बोर्ड ना, फिर दुनिया में कोई और भी प्रेशर दे देना, नहीं भी दे रहा,
वही बेस कह रहा हूँ ना मैं, कुछ ना कुछ नीड दैट बेस.
मेरे केस में ये चीज से बहुत फर्क पड़ा कि आई हैड अ लॉट ऑफ पेरेंटल सपोर्ट, कि इवन इफ दे डिड वरी अबाउट कि क्या कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे, eventually they saw the result, and they've never like questioned it कि मतलब they saw it was productive. उनको मतलब I had to be responsible there as well कि if I am taking time for this, then I also have to show कि ऐसा नहीं कि फालतू कहीं भी बैठे हुए हैं, है ना? वो खुद भी करना.
But do they understand what do you do exactly?
I think to an extent, but like ठीक है, so my family, we don't have everyone who's very techy. We're a business family. From an engineering perspective, software side पे इतना नहीं है. I do have some relatives who are involved, but a limited number, right? But either way, I think they were still willing to accept. Like on some places, maybe I do know more, and my dad was willing to respect that. My mom was willing to respect that. अब I think इसमें फर्क ये भी, अब जैसे my dad went to Doon as well, for example, है ना?
Correct.
He built a kind of mentality very early on, and I think that's something dad wanted to inculcate in both my brother and I. So it helped a lot, because their thing was, if it's productive, if it's meritocratic, अच्छा काम है तो करो, है ना? And I would show कि मतलब if it's something affiliated with Microsoft, you're probably going to take it seriously, or if you know it's affiliated with Google, you're probably going to take it seriously.
Yeah.
So they were willing to be patient along with me over there.
How do you filter out it's a good DevRel position for you or not? What all the factors
So
does that
the way
matter?
I would look at it is, I would want to understand what the company's goals are for this team, right? Whether they understand what impact DevRel teams make, whether they understand कहाँ पे वो business impact है, and that is important. Like if they don't know where the business impact of the DevRel team is, if it's just nice to have, वो judge करना पड़ता है ना? My founder understood, had he not been working on educational content, and whether he had not been talking to his community members, his contributors, people who were getting feedback, had he not operated across that, AppRate would never have grown. It would never have become a better product. It would never have built any consumer base. So it was directly proportional to the growth of our customer, which I think is a good reason to have a DevRel team. है ना? But अगर कोई बस इसलिए बोले, we need someone just talking about it. Why?
प्रचारक नहीं चाहिए मतलब सिर्फ कि अगर कोई फैला रहा है बस
प्रचारक
हमारे
भी हो ना तो उसका पर्पस क्या है,
हाँ.
उससे डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट दैट विल ब्रिंग टू द कंपनी और नॉट. If you understand and if you can justify where that is bringing you business,
Then
I can understand what you're trying to do. If you can't do that, then I will never be able to convince you, regardless of what I do. है ना?
करेक्ट
At that point, I am just an expense on your balance sheet.
that's so true.
हाँ
वो समझना पड़ता है.
that is true but gauging that I'm not sure what is the average age of this DevRel at
It's
this
quite
point?
mixed.
I think a lot of it I have seen are young.
We've only seen younger professionals
हाँ.
in recent times with
हाँ.
startups.
Okay.
Correct.
A lot of your bigger companies जिनमें roles हैं have a more experienced bunch of people.
Okay.
When you look at Microsoft's DevRel team, or if you look at Google, or if you look at Twilio, a lot of these more experienced companies will have a higher age bracket because they picked out of people who were already doing software engineering. It's only when the rate of developer focused companies kind of grew where people started looking for candidates with alternative experiences outside of just professional work, because it's a very small pool of people as well.
Got it.
Right? So even if someone didn't have formal software engineering experience, but you could see their work as a developer on their GitHub, they were willing to consider that, which is what happened with me. Matlab, before I entered and before my interview started, my GitHub had a deep dive.
So you used to code in .NET.
I worked on .NET projects.
हाँ,
Yes.
So what inspired that? मतलब in the world of JavaScript, TypeScript, and C++, where did
So,
.NET fall in?
the way that happened was Microsoft's program only. One of the mandatory aspects of that was Learn Paths on Microsoft Learns. I, by luck, happened to try the one on building Windows applications.
Oh, भाई, अच्छा.
And
okay.
that brought me to C#.
अच्छा.
And उसके अलावा the other thing was school में मैंने लिया था computer science. ISC है तो Java कर रहे थे. C# was easy to pick for me because modern C# today you'll find similarities with Kotlin, somewhere between Kotlin
Yes.
and Java. C# back then was almost the same. So
Achha.
syntactically it was very easy for me to pick up.
Is it very same to Java?
Yes.
That's what you're saying.
It used to be.
When it was developed,
used
it
to.
was a direct competitor.
Okay.
So even today, if you look at web, ASP.NET is going to do the same stuff you can do with Ruby on Rails, Spring Boot,
okay,
Laravel.
okay. Got it,
Right?
got
It's
it.
the same kind of tech you're probably working with.
Correct.
The other thing was, honestly, I feel like .NET's tooling ecosystem is very, very good. It's very underrated right now.
Okay.
Because when I started building, I thought like it was actually pretty good to build with. Tooling makes a big difference. Learning resources makes a big difference. So I just took to it. मतलब try किया, हाथ लगा, अच्छा लगा तो करते गए.
You never shifted to like any other language?
I've been playing more with JavaScript now.
Okay.
So I do a lot more JavaScript now. At this point, I think I'm doing more JavaScript work than...
Is it because of the job you're at?
I think yes. Matlab, the reason is that a lot of our consumers are web developers. So I like to put myself in the same position. Plus, this lets me work and play around more with our own product. So I've been working more with JavaScript and Svelte lately. Two reasons why Svelte over React. I think Svelte actually from a beginner perspective, it's a lot less opinionated.
Okay.
So if you start from vanilla JS and you come to a framework, Svelte I think is far easier to pick up today.
Okay.
And the other thing is, Apprite uses SvelteKit for our client.
Okay.
So it also lets me get a better understanding of what we're doing at Apprite.
Makes sense.
So two reasons that way.
बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो will start learning React before JavaScript. So
That
then,
is-
then it becomes a different story
I
altogether.
have opinions on that as well. So I think some people do that, yes. And as long as they're willing to continue learning JavaScript alongside, okay, it's the same hackathon mentality. Like I learned a lot of stuff by building. Like before I knew every nuance of C#, I had started building with Xamarin Forms. But you know, I had to be willing to kind of stop, go back to C#, figure out that stuff to do anything about it after that. If you're not willing to do that, you're not going to learn.
वैसे अगर to be honest बाहर से अगर मैं देखूं ऐसे डेवलपर का जॉब तो दिखने में बहुत लुक्रेटिव लगता है, ठीक है, क्योंकि अब मैं बताऊंगा, मैं मुझे मेरी कॉलेज के टाइम पे तो मेरी काफी मतलब जलती थी कि यार ये क्या कर रहे हैं ऐसा ये लोग, ये इतना कैसे घूम रहा है बंदा,
मजे कैसे ले रहे हैं यार ये काम करते करते.
मुझे बाहर से to be honest से फैंसी दिखता था.
पता है वो दिखता है क्योंकि हमें दिखाना अच्छा लगता है.
हाँ, ये भी है
ना?
कि आई थिंक दैट होल कम्युनिटी वुड बी अराउंड कि इट्स
अब
लाइक
पता है बात इतनी है.
It's like a
ठीक है?
showmanship कहीं ना
अगर
कहीं तो.
सपोज मैं किसी इवेंट के लिए जा रहा हूँ टोक्यो,
हाँ.
मैं दिखाऊंगा ना मैं टोक्यो
हाँ
में.
भाई,
सही बात है.
बट पता है उस पे भी मैं
उससे-
बताऊं, वो ना दिखने में लगता है फैंसी. जब आप वहां जाते हो ना, अगर आप उस काम पे बैठते हो ना,
मैं वही पूछने आ रहा था कि देख दिस
हाँ.
लुक्स आई थिंक इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ इट इज सर्वाइवरशिप बायस आल्सो कि like a lot of people are doing it and some of them are doing it very good, तो वो दिखने लगता है सबको कि भाई ये तो मजे कर रहा है, ये
मतलब I
घूम
think
रहा है
more than
टोक्यो
anything
या
is
वहाँ।
just दूर के ढोल सुहावने वाली चीज आती
हाँ
है,
वो भी हो सकता है। तो
क्योंकि I think the roughest work periods I've had are if I'm traveling and working.
वही, so what are the actual challenges at your
ठीक
job,
है।
like what is the most
हाँ।
gruesome part of it?
So I think from a DevRel perspective, the roughest part that I tend to see sometimes is एक तो चलो my company figures out the business side of it. We do that proactively. So fortunately, it's not been as stressful for me on that front.
Okay.
But on a general level, a lot of people have to worry about it
Hmm.
because companies are still figuring it out.
Mm-hmm.
वो चीज चलो हो गई. The context switching of it is rough. ठीक है.
That's true.
Because like for example, on any given day, I could be working on blog content. उसके लिए अगर मेरे को demo app बनाने से I'm sitting and doing development work. At the same time, I'm probably dealing with questions, issues, challenges from the community. साथ में maybe I'm also working and supporting and managing a program. The amount of things I could have to do on different fronts on the same day is unbelievable. So the context switching can be very, very rough. है ना, because आपको 4 अलग चीजों पे तो अपना mindset बदलना है.
I think लोग ये समझ नहीं सकते हैं from the outside
वो
कि
करके
context
समझ
switching
आता
तो
है.
किसी को जनरली पल्ले नहीं
वो
पड़ता।
करके समझ आता है.
हाँ।
है ना. अब उसमें भी पता है क्या होता है. For example, I'll tell you like last year, October 1st, Hacktoberfest launch. We were top sponsors for Hacktoberfest. So
yeah.
we in collaboration with DigitalOcean did an event. ठीक है. 300 लोग का event था. मतलब that we were planning. And I think the event went well. But उसका चलो मैं prep discuss करता हूँ. ठीक है. जब आप 300 लोग का event करा रहे हो, आपको space manage करना है. 300 लोग का space पहले तो ढूंढो. Which fits in the budget. होटल ऑप्शंस आप जाओगे ना, आपको 300 लोग का इवेंट कराना है, आपको 6-7 लाख उस एक दिन के लिए चाहिए
करेक्ट
मिनिमम. अगर तो आप होटल नहीं लेते, इफ यू गो फॉर अ कन्वेंशन सेंटर, देन यू आल्सो हैव टू मैनेज फूड, यू हैव टू मैनेज एवी, यू हैव टू मैनेज ऑल ऑफ दिस. ठीक है. अब फॉर दिस इवेंट वी पिक्ड अ होटल. उनके साथ एवी कोऑर्डिनेशन करना, कि क्या मैनेज करना है, उनके साथ बजट नेगोशिएशंस करना, फूड प्लानिंग, एजेंडा प्लानिंग, speaker reaching out and management, on the day of the event management, swag ordering, मतलब all of that. अब चलो ठीक है, सब में backup होगा. But you know, for all of this event, all of this work was being done basically by 1 to 2 people.
हाँ, that is the insane part of it.
Yes.
And I know that because मैं कर रहा था, तो मैं बता रहा हूँ. तो जब आपको उसके पीछे इतनी चीजें करनी पड़ जाए ना, it is very easy when you go to an event and you see वो DevRel का इंसान वो स्टेज पे, उसके पीछे जो 25 काम है ना, वो नहीं दिखते.
करेक्ट.
So it is very much an iceberg scenario. You'll see travel, you'll see them on stages, you'll see nice stuff. You're not going to see everything that happens before that. Right? अब जैसे when I sit and work on a blog, I build a blog, it's all advertised on my company's handles, all well and good. Why did I pick that topic? What feedback was coming from the community which led me to pick that topic? पहले तो feedback से shift करके decide करना कि ये करना है. Planning it out, tweaking it for SEO, making the demo app behind it. All of that. Now, there's a lot of work that goes behind that. And that will often not be visible.
For sure.
कई बार तो लोगों को, and इस पे मैं बोलूँगा, कुछ कंपनीज के चक्कर में बदनाम भी हुआ था ये. इस पे मैं किसी कंपनी को नेम नहीं करूँगा. But Indian Web3 had a major problem with this a while back, where unfortunately उन्होंने बहुत फालतू में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइटल बांट के लोग को उठा के ना
वहीं से
एक प्रेजेंटेशन में जाके
करना शुरू करी,
फैलाओ, बात करो
2021
करके ना,
में.
it created an issue, it created a false image as well.
Yes.
But anywhere you have a legitimate team, there is a very high amount of effort that goes behind that. So it like मतलब वही handling all of that, इतने different context में आप काम कर रहे हो, will take a toll. And वो मतलब mentally छोड़ एक पॉइंट physical toll हो जाता है. I think the roughest time periods are when you're repping your own company at a conference. That is the most difficult thing. Because I'll tell you, conference normal कोई इंसान जाए, talk अच्छी लगी सुनना, नहीं अच्छी लगी फर्क नहीं पड़ता. लोग बैठे हैं, मिल लिया अच्छा है, नहीं मिले फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. खाना अच्छा मिल रहा है, उस पर फोकस करो. Swag अच्छा मिल रहा है,
swag उठाओ, चलो.
अब when I go for my company, if we have a goal at it, unless I have network to a certain extent, or if I've not generated a certain number of leads, that investment is deemed a failure. Right? Which means there is an investment attached to that effort, and B, there is a KPI attached to it. Which means networking becomes a job, which is very
Yeah.
rough to handle.
Well, I think
ठीक है.
Devrel would be more expensive than just the pay which you get. in
That is
general,
also
for
why
company
a lot of
anyways.
times we don't invest too much on events. We have a very limited and controlled investment because it has very limited
Result.
result as well. Some companies, some domains, it might help a lot.
Hmm.
But events in general, I think it helps more after a post acquisition, post customer acquisition. It doesn't. It has a very limited effect before that.
Okay.
And it depends on very few markets. Some markets may you will actually get more leads through it. Some markets it just won't work. अब if I do an event in Delhi, for example, और मैं कराया मैंने AppRite का event और मेरे 100 लोग भरने उसमें से 80 आ गए स्टूडेंट. अच्छा है, it looks nice on social media. वो 80 लोग मेरे customers नहीं बनेंगे.
Correct.
And
They'll not pay
and that's
for
not
the
against
service.
students. That's nothing against students. It's just they're at a stage of their careers where they can't.
Correct.
अब वही मैं अगर हर कॉलेज जाके कराने लगा, maybe I need that audience, but it's not always going to lead. It depends on the goal, right? अगर मेरे को सिर्फ भीड़ बढ़ानी है, तो ठीक है, भीड़ बढ़ जाएगी उससे. Is it actually bringing value back to the company? That becomes very questionable.
Right. तो तुम्हारा कोई प्रोडक्ट ऐसा हो
And
कि
it comes down to the product.
वहां से शुरू हो रहा हो
Exactly.
कि if people are using it in college तो वो आगे भी खरीद
वहीं
लेंगे.
पे, for
ऐसा
example,
कुछ
if
तो
it was
नहीं
something like a ProGate,
Correct.
or
Exactly. I
if
was
it's
about
a
to come.
coding education platform like Code Academy, it makes sense to do that. It makes sense to go to colleges, build those partnerships, तुम clubs बनो, सब you do that then, because that will be your direct consumer. वो तुम्हारा direct customer है ना? But वहाँ तुम्हें भी समझना है कि तुम्हारे प्रोडक्ट के लिए क्या जरूरी है और क्या नहीं है, कौन सी ऑडियंस पे वो फर्क पड़ेगा और नहीं पड़ेगा.
ये बात तो
है ना? तो वो सारा जज करना पड़ जाता है, एंड वो मतलब हमें ही जज करना है ना? बिकॉज वी आर इन द डायरेक्ट मोस्ट reachable position for anyone outside the company, often the front line. So we're understanding who's interacting, who's trying to invest, who's trying to buy, who's trying to build, who's trying to not do that. कौन सिर्फ खेल खेल के भाग जाना चाहता है, वो भी हमें ही दिखता है ना? So we have to be involved in a lot of that decision making.
Then what does the marketing team do at the company?
So एक होता है कि हम कम्युनिटी वाले एंगल से समझ रहे हैं, राइट? What marketing and growth is going to do is they're also going to build strategies on how to convert my audience into a customer.
Okay.
What kind, अब वहाँ पे कैसे audience segmentation करना है, मैं सारा डेटा ले भी आऊंगा ना, they will help me understand and
You're bringing the raw data in
फिर
for leads.
suppose they reach out to people, they start that, I am going to help them make sure that all of that is communicated in a language that they understand. So we collaborate a lot, है ना? I help them understand who they're talking to. I help them succeed. They bring me back the data to understand who I should be interacting with to even get that information in the
Got
first
it.
place. So there's a lot of to and fro and a lot of collaboration that way.
Makes sense. So do you think like Devrel ka role only makes sense in the companies where it's a developer oriented product?
Absolutely.
उसके अलावा it doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make sense if a developer is not a customer. Like, ठीक है, that developer can be an enterprise team. ठीक है, for example, if it's an Azure or if it's like an Okta, for example, they're going to be selling to enterprises. होगा वो चीज. But somewhere or the other, a developer needs to be building with that product. If they're not consuming that product, it doesn't make sense to have a DevRel team because तुम्हारा customer ही नहीं है ना developer. जब role ही बनाया है to kind of work with developers, so it doesn't make sense to have that in a company that doesn't deal with developers.
Makes sense. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है ऐसे बहुत सारी company would see this as a marketing opportunity in general.
For
If you hire someone,
A few companies did that, and that's where Web3 had a problem, right? Where ठीक है, some places you need it. A Solana is going to need if they have a developer ecosystem. And Ethereum is going to need it if they have a developer ecosystem. Some random token, which is nothing more than a token, does not need it.
Or even a wallet.
Wallets में भी कहना, अब जैसे for example, I need an integration in my browsers.
Then
I have APIs to integrate. Then it makes sense. If it's just a hardware wallet, maybe not as much. ठीक है. You'll need engineers. You'll need people building with it. You'll need people building on top. But you may not need someone who's helping other developers integrate. It comes down to what your customer is going to be at the end of the day. And ठीक है, तुम्हारा customer can include developers, but if that's not the persona you're targeting, right? So it doesn't make sense. उस केस में तुम्हें तुम्हारा customer persona पता होना चाहिए कि तुम किसको बेचने जा रहे हो. Are you selling it to a developer because they're a developer, or are you selling it to someone because of some other reason?
So what are you in the end? जैसे appraisal cycle के end पे तो what is the thing you are judged on in the end? कि मतलब तुमने कितने
मेरी
blog
टीम में ये
लिखे,
सारे
ऐसा रहता
goals,
है?
मतलब कितने ब्लॉग से ज्यादा, I think every team has their goals, right?
अच्छा. So what is for you particularly?
My goals include A, writing more content, understanding how, whether that brings more inbound traffic, whether that leads to more people building with AppRite, अब ऑब्वियसली आई कांट से कि भाई मतलब इस ब्लॉग पे आए तो वहां से बिल्ड करने चले गए, बट द फैक्ट कि इस ब्लॉग पे आ रहे हैं नहीं इज अ फैक्टर दैट आई विल टेक अ लुक एट, राइट? Similarly, if I am building content based on issues, is my content leading to lesser questions raised around similar topics? That is going to be a factor. है ना? And it varies again, right? Like for example, I had a team member who was very developer experience focused. He was working on docs, for example, or he was working on SDKs. I've helped out with some SDKs. So वहाँ पे तो you can have engineering style goals as well, right? इतना bug free है या नहीं है, इतने issues recurring है या नहीं है.
वो तो actually मतलब you have built something वहाँ पे तो.
What we do is before any activity starts, we're gonna define what क्या कर मतलब why we need something. पहले तो problem define करो. Don't decide anything you want to do about it after. This is a very big mistake. लोग पहले करेंगे कि हमें ये करना है. फिर बाद में सोचेंगे क्यों करना है. पहले क्यों आना चाहिए. वो बाद में लाने का सेंस नहीं है. So हम लोग के लिए at least it is कि we have our problems defined. है ना? And उस हिसाब से मतलब things.
Then you have some success criteria and.
हाँ. And मतलब हमारे केस में फिर भी at least इतना है कि when we do our appraisals, we'll figure it out based on हर साल अगर तुम्हें थोड़ा increment होना है based on तुम्हें inflation changes हैं कुछ है वो सब factors होते हैं. Success is not always going to be tied into appraisal. Success is a constant recurring factor.
Correct.
मतलब उतनी early stage teams में it is a challenge. Maybe on more conventional large companies there's going to be more quantified factors.
Yeah, correct.
हमारे केस में success isn't just verified at appraisals, it's a constant verified
It's
process.
a micro success वाला
Constantly check करना पड़ता
कुछ
है
ना
ना.
कुछ हो रहा है.
Exactly.
तो
So we constantly keep checking. And अगर वो होता रहेगा तुम grow करते रहोगे.
Have you faced मतलब discrimination against you as a developer when you are with some developers or कुछ कोई developers would be too snotty कि वो
कुछ लोग उल्टा सीधा बोलते हैं.
be like
अब उस पे तो मैं भी कभी सुना देता हूँ ना वापस. अब वो उतना तो थोड़ा रखना पड़ेगा चौड़ की मतलब.
उतना बोला ना उतना कोकी
नहीं
तो
तो
रहना
देखो, अगर
पड़ेगा.
तुम उतनी तुम्हारे में वो नहीं है कि
हाँ.
तो फिर तुम खुद ही सोचो तुम क्यों कर रहे हो और क्या कर रहे हो.
हाँ.
है ना? क्योंकि फिर तो तुम्हें ही तुम्हारे काम में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है. तुम्हें तो होना चाहिए कि तुम्हें क्या पता है
जहाँ पे लगा हो कि भाई
मतलब आई थिंक
ये तो भाई महाचूती है भाई, इससे तो बात ही नहीं करनी को ऐसा हुआ है कि
Web3 वाला शिट ना. तो उसके बाद कई बार लोग ने जनरली डेवरेल की उड़ानी शुरू करी थी. तो some people are just gonna do that for the sake of it. I think to some extent if it's अगर कोई मेरे मुंह पे नहीं बोल सकता कि वो सिर्फ सोशल पे हल्ला मचा रहे हैं.
हाँ.
तो मैं वैसे ही उनको मेरे को उनसे
बट तुमसे मिलेगा कैसे?
बट कोई ऐसा मिला कि
मैं बाहर आज तक मेरे मुंह पे तो कोई नहीं बोल पाया.
नहीं कि ऐसे वहाँ सोशल मीडिया पे तो बज रहा है सामने आके भैया भैया कर रहा है. कोई
यार
हुआ ऐसा?
सोशल मीडिया पे हो चुके हैं जो उल्टा बोल रहे हैं फिर मैं देखता हूँ फॉलो भी कर रहे हैं. मैं बहुत स्मार्ट हूँ.
यार फॉलो कर रहे हैं तभी ना तो पता चल रहा है ना कि
हाँ.
किस चीज से बोलना है. ये भी तो एक बात
तो
है.
जल रहे हैं ना यार फिर तो.
मैं तो बोलता हूँ भाई थैंक्स फॉर द एंगेजमेंट खत्म.
think that mindset needs to be there anyway.
क्योंकि हाँ जो मुंह पे आके बोल रहे हैं ना they probably have an actually decent enough reason for them to have a problem. At that point I wouldn't fight them. I would try to understand the actual problem. फिर भाई देखो I have to be understanding enough to the point where if something is wrong I accept it's wrong.
Correct.
If something is right then I have to debate for it. But that is a debate to educate. It isn't a debate to break the point, right?
Correct.
तो कोई अगर in person आके बोले तो I have had those discussions. And I don't think I've found a discussion in person where someone's asked that and they've had a malicious intent. वो तो या तो कोई होता है कि दोस्त ही फालतू उल्टा सीधा बोल रहा है फिर उनको मैं इग्नोर मार देता हूँ.
नहीं वो तो
कोई उसका सेंस नहीं है.
वो तो बकचोदी में तो करेगा ही, बात अलग है.
वो उसमें सेंस नहीं होता डिस्कस करने का. वो फिर मतलब उन्होंने अगर समझना नहीं है सुनना नहीं है तो क्या करो. है ना? जो नहीं जानते वो कभी ऐसे उल्टा सीधा आके इन पर्सन हिम्मत कितने लोगों की होती है बोलने की.
यार यही तो चीज है ना कि मतलब पीठ पीछे तो बहुत
यार वो छोड़ो यार ट्विटर पे आधे लोग अपने असली नाम के साथ आके नहीं बोल पाते तो वो तो क्या ही आप एक्सपेक्ट करोगे इन पर्सन आके बोल पाएंगे.
ये बात तो सही
है ना.
बट you didn't ever face like that kind of disrespect कि यार
मतलब
कोई डेवलपर आके बोले कि अरे ये तो कोड भी नहीं
किसी ने नहीं
करता
उल्टा बोला. एंड आई थिंक फॉर्चुनेटली टू सम एक्सटेंट वर्क स्पीक्स. सो
that is true.
मतलब माय थिंग इज कि if I am putting things forward तो मैं फालतू प्लेटिट्यूड्स नहीं मारूंगा. if I am saying something there has to be a base.
बट ये कम्युनिटी में चल रहा है.
कम्युनिटी में कभी तुमने
community में I've seen other people face it but then you know I'll be honest लोग भी फालतू उल्टा सीधा बोलते हैं without actually having the substance behind it तो फिर गाली पड़ेगी ना. वो पढ़नी भी चाहिए. फिर अगर तुम फालतू अनशन जाके बोलोगे तो गाली खानी चाहिए उन्हें.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं देखा कि मतलब अच्छा रिवर्स साइड भी हो सकता है कि अगर कोई डेवरल मान लो है और वो फिर ज्यादा जाके चौड़ दे रहा है.
वो बज रहा है
होते हैं फिर उनकी बजनी चाहिए.
कि वो
वही
ज्यादा
होते
ही
हैं,
जाके दे रहा है।
वो ज्यादा फिर वही होते हैं, वो जो एम्प्टी ड्रम्स वाली स्टोरी आ जाती है ना,
हाँ।
वो बहुत है.
ये बात तो है.
So if someone's doing that, फिर गाली खाओ भाई, पढ़नी चाहिए तुम्हें फिर.
How do you tackle like hate in general? अगर ऐसे कोई आता है, कभी पहले तो पहले बात है, कभी हुआ कि नहीं ऐसा कि कोई ऐसे डायरेक्ट हेट
मुंह पे तो आगे चलो किसी ने नहीं बोला आज
मुंह पे
तक.
तो नहीं
ऐसे
बोलेगा.
कभी कभी तो होता होगा ना कि
Honestly, ऑनलाइन ये I'll try to see, मतलब I'll try to engage, understand why, है ना. मतलब कोई उल्टा बोल भी रहता है, मैं पूछूं क्यों.
हम्म.
अगर वो उसके बाद रीजन दे रहे हैं,
हम्म.
फिर देखते हैं रीजन सही है नहीं है. किसी का रीजन लेजिटिमेट है तो समझाओ. काफी बारी सुन भी जाते हैं.
हम्म.
They'll take it back, they'll understand what happened was circumstantial, and maybe that's just good for everyone.
हम्म.
है ना. I'll be honest, I don't have the privilege to fight with everyone. Because if I keep fighting with every developer, I will lose every possible customer I have.
हम्म.
है ना. मेरे पास वो privilege नहीं है. तो I'll try and understand. अब जिसने नहीं सुनना ना उसके बाद, उनको मैं इग्नोर करूंगा. कोई चॉइस नहीं है. You just have to ignore.
You can't bark over a tree वही वाली चीज़ है कि मतलब क्यों
Honestly
पीछे
पता
पड़ा,
है एक
सुनना
चीज
ही नहीं
होती है कि
है
at that point ना, जो नहीं सुनना चाहता ना, उनसे आप लड़ भी लोगे ना, वो तो लड़ने को लड़ रहे हैं.
उसको.
उन पर समय फालतू है
हम्म.
आपसे लड़ने के लिए. आप खुद देखो ना, आपके पास समय है उसको संभालने का.
ये बात भी है.
but are you able to figure out looking at someone's comment like
I'll
ये
just-
genuinely jealous
मतलब
है
I'll
या
just straight
कुछ
up ask.
serious
मैं तो पूछता हूँ क्यों बोल रहे हो, है ना. अगर वो नहीं समझा पाए मुझे कि उनका रीजन क्या है,
तो ignore
तो फिर हाँ, अगर उनका रीजन समझ आया कि वो लेजिट लग रहा है, तो फिर हम समझा भी देंगे. फिर उन पे उन्होंने समझा नहीं समझा इज वन थिंग, बट नॉर्मली समवन who's coming from a legit reason will listen.
क्या कभी ऐसे इवेंट्स पे हुआ यू हैव लाइक ऑर्गेनाइजिंग और ये सब और ओवरशैडो कर दिया हो या समवन जस्ट केम कि क्या ही किया इसने, तो बिकॉज़ आई हैव सीन कि बहुत मेहनत लगती है ऑर्गेनाइज करने में का
Attendees
हैकाथॉन
normally ज्यादा नहीं बोलते, क्योंकि दे अंडरस्टैंड, मतलब थोड़ा सा ना हम भी मेंटेन करें कि अगर तुम्हें कुछ चाहिए तो फिर हमें से पूछना है. जब उन्हें पता कि तुम ही दे रहे हो तो तुमसे कितना ही उल्टा लड़ लेंगे, है ना. एट दैट पॉइंट आई थिंक एज एन ऑर्गेनाइजर यू हैव टू कैरी योरसेल्फ. एंड उसमें साथ में दूसरी चीज है, if you're working in a team and someone in the team is up there, but the only problem where you could have that is if someone your team is overshadowing.
करेक्ट.
If I am leading a team, I don't do that. That is my personal way of dealing with things. I have seen it happen. I have made sure I don't get stuck in that. And ठीक है, वो होता है. अब जहाँ पे you can support. You just make sure you don't repeat the same stuff. And if someone you know is trying to lead and grow, so you make sure they don't make the same mistakes. So that you can't do with people who've come before you. That you can only fix with people after you.
You've made like the community is small. Have you made like friends and enemies within it as well?
I mean,
ऐसे मेरे curiosity
there are
में है.
people who I wouldn't bet on. There are people who I would prefer not to collaborate with. But I wouldn't say I have built enemies. I've been mindful about that.
What is something which you look कि यार इसके साथ नहीं करना है? What is your mindset around it?
मतलब यार देखो, पता चल जाता है ना कौन बकवास मार रहा है, कौन नहीं मार रहा.
वो भी है, but like there is something कि जैसे मेरे लिए for example honesty is very core quality.
I think honesty से ज़्यादा, मतलब because I don't treat honesty as a fully objective metric. I think it's very subjective across people. People can have different truths. I think it's accountability I look for before that. Are they accountable for their work? है ना. क्योंकि honesty क्या है ना, मतलब I'll tell you what, जब दो लोग की लड़ाई होती है, both can be right on their own front,
हाँ,
both can be true on their own
वो
front.
उनका अपना
For
अपना
example,
viewpoint
right.
हो सकता है. Correct.
And as long as it's justifiable, they're accountable for it. If it goes right, if it goes wrong, they're willing to take responsibility. I think that's fair. I respect that. Someone who's not willing to take accountability and someone who likes to play sides, both sides, that is somewhere where I have a problem. If you've got opinions, stick to your opinions. Be able to stand for them. If you can't stand for something, then why should I respect you? What
That
you're
is the
saying?
primary thing which you would look at.
So that is something that's very important for me personally. Like, एक होता है कि देखो कोई माना कि वो गलत है, वो सीख रहे हैं, दैट इज वन डिफरेंट थिंग. बट एक जो टिक नहीं रहे होते ना, जो टिकटॉक बीच में खेल रहे होते हैं, वो नहीं चलता.
बैंगन जैसा
You can't
घूम रहे
ping pong
होते हैं.
there. You can't do that. So
Correct.
वो that I think is a major issue. And I won't say it's a prevalent issue.
हाँ.
But there are people who do
है तो
that.
है ही, लेकिन
अब लोग करते हैं.
बहुत लोग
हाँ.
करते हैं यार.
So that time लेगा तुम ये कर रहे हो तो ठीक है. I'm not gonna pick a fight with you, but don't expect me to bet on you either.
कभी हुआ है? Have you been into some kind of tussle?
Fortunately, not too badly with other DevRel people.
Not DevRel.
I've
मतलब in
seen
general,
people
मतलब
within
ऐसे.
DevRel who've had those fights.
हाँ.
I have seen that happen.
You took sides on them or not? You didn't involve.
I have formed my opinions, but I didn't get into those fights. मतलब enough people saying it at one point, it just becomes a crowd. doesn't make
Correct.
sense.
वो भी सही है.
So अब और जहाँ पे तुम रिजॉल्व कर सकते हो ना वहाँ तो चलो बात करने का सेंस भी है. जहाँ रिजॉल्व नहीं कर सकते फिर कोई पॉइंट नहीं होता.
ऐसा घी डालने वाला काम मत कर.
हाँ वो नहीं करना.
It just amplifies the fire. It
वो
doesn't
फालतू
help
से
it.
दर्द होता है. घी डालने वाले हैं बहुत.
हाँ.
उसमें मैं बोलूँगा कि थोड़ा ना community management space is a little murkier than DevRel specifically. वहाँ थोड़ा ज़्यादा मैंने गंद देखा है.
What is community management DevRel में is like a subset of it नहीं?
DevRel is, I mean everyone in DevRel may not be a community manager,
Okay.
right?
But-
And community management doesn't have to remain stuck to tech only.
Oh, okay. Could be anything.
Could be anything. But on a community level, I've seen a lot more political
For sure.
actions.
Can vouch that statement.
I know you would recognize that.
I do.
You've been in those communities.
Yup.
So I've seen that more to the point where I'm like it's too big of a headache to deal
नहीं
with.
है
at this
कम्युनिटी
point.
मैनेजमेंट में सिर्फ ये तो नहीं होता है कि
Power
जैसे
struggle बहुत होता है.
WhatsApp पे ग्रुप पे किसका
नहीं,
पैर
but-
पौवा चल रहा है.
बात ये है
हाँ.
ना ग्रुप कितने कितने हैं.
हाँ.
होता क्या the moment you go through communities in tech and this isn't brand communities by the way, this is जो independently
हाँ,
चल
हाँ,
रही
like-
होती हैं.
Correct.
ठीक है. Like ठीक है GDG is a brand community but लोग independently करा रहे हैं ना. You're not a member of the company. या ये तो एग्जांपल है. I'm not calling out a specific GDG.
हाँ, हाँ. कोई भी हो सकता है.
मतलब मैं
जैसे-
GDGs में इन्वॉल्व हूँ. I've seen this in other communities for
हाँ.
sure. अब शहर में इतने ग्रुप्स हैं.
हम्म,
होते हैं लोग जिनको कि भाई मैं ही होना चाहिए सबका राज.
हाँ.
मैं ही हूँ
वो सत्ता
सबका.
बना रहा है अपनी ऐसा
हाँ.
वाला फील आता है हमको.
तो ये लड़ाइयाँ हमने देखी हुई हैं.
हम्म,
where it's like legit power fights कि भाई मेरा ही थ्रू होना चाहिए वाला. And it's frustrating. It's very political at times, right? It's not just a control game कि who has the most following.
Like ये event मेरे शहर में हुआ तो मेरे through क्यों नहीं हुआ?
हाँ भाई मतलब
Why wasn't included?
why
in the
wasn't I
conversation?
involved? Why
Yeah.
wasn't I asked for?
There are
Oh.
We've seen that happen.
Yes.
It's immature, very immature.
यार,
But
वो समय
They
लोग
learn
तो-
with experience, I
यार,
believe.
college
Some
में
people
तो हो
don't
गया,
learn.
वो सब
They keep
community
playing
वाले
that.
भी जैसे इस समय community में कोई
मतलब some
professionals
people don't
community
learn
है?
that, right?
है ऐसी कोई professionals community जहाँ पे हो रहा हो?
I know some people who
है,
do
है.
that. Like
Okay.
I
guess
don't
we are
want to
talking
name them,
about-
but there are some people who
Yeah.
I would stay far away from.
Makes sense. कोई ऐसा so in with developers when they are there here we ask them कि has there been a breaking prod moment for you? क्योंकि the concept is this कि like there will be definitely something जैसे कि कभी ना कभी तुमने ऐसा कुछ तो कोड डाला हो या कुछ ऐसी हरकत करी हो जिसकी वजह से पूरा कलेश ही मच गया हो कंपनी में. Is there a breaking prod moment for Aditya Oberoi?
मैंने कर रखी है गलतियाँ, obviously करी है गलतियाँ.
Is there something which you want to share? कोई एक incident if you have in mind कि where you took accountability but like ऐसा कुछ तो कर दिया कि कलेश मच गया कि यार ये तो fuck हो गया, बहुत भयानक.
कभी 300 लोग के लिए गलत पीस तो स्वैग मंगाए हैं.
Oh.
ये कैसे? How would you mess this up?
डिजाइन रीब्रांड हुआ था.
Okay.
मैंने पुराने डिजाइन्स के हिसाब से मंगवा दिए.
This is recent only but ना.
Fairly. Fortunately, though, my founder was very supportive. मतलब at least हमारे टीम में we try to keep things blameless.
कितने का खर्च हुआ इस पे? कितने का नुकसान है ये?
50,000 तो यार खुद तो सोच ही रहे होते हो ना कि 50,000 फूक दिए,
हाँ.
फालतू पड़ा है.
Money से ज़्यादा that
I think
accountability
more than
you
money,
said.
it's less a money problem. It's
Yeah.
more just कि भाई कैसे गलती कर दी.
हाँ.
So गलती मेरी थी.
फिर वो क्या हुआ? Swag guy?
My founder was chill. He was relaxed because my founder that way is a little sorted. Ki the way we deal with things is if things succeed, it's both individual and processes ka win. If things fail, it is less individual, more processes ka issue. So we've very rarely seen individual failures. ऐसा नहीं कि we haven't seen, होते भी हैं. But I treat it as an individual failure. My team treated it as a processes failure. कि somewhere along the way, maybe we need to improve that. कि it led to this sort of a problem.
But कोई ऐसा टीम में कहीं बोलता तो मतलब human nature है यार. Human nature
गलती
is
हो
to
जाती-
find people to blame for. ऐसा नहीं है.
Conscious effort लेना पड़ता है ना. Choice
हाँ.
क्या है? मतलब देखो, जब आप 30, 31, 32 people हो in a team, you're across 16 countries. You don't have the luxury to.
वो बात भी है. I think इतनी small team में would not
And
be there. But I think bigger
have to
companies, bigger
give
teams
credit to
could
my.
be.
मतलब the thing is, you've got to give credit in both places, right? I think my team leadership has made sure that when screw ups happen, we are very mindful about how they happen. And on an individual level, you have to take accountability. I have to accept कि मैंने गलती करी. अगर मैं accept करूँ तो I will fix it. मैं अपनी तरफ से सीखूंगा. They support it, so they'll figure out if we need to change processes and उसमें I will get to say कि अगर मेरी भी गलती हुई तो मेरे से कहाँ पे ये fall हुआ fix तो चीजें तभी होंगी ना
करेक्ट
तो होती है गलतियाँ and sometimes I think we think they're bigger than they are मतलब my founder was far more relaxed about it than I was
what was the like कुछ RCA
first thing was very serious like
RCA हुआ उसका कुछ की रूट कॉज क्या हुआ कैसे हुआ
and it was just post rebrand like for events we just had to refigure out how we're requisitioning swags कहाँ पे approvals चाहिए कहाँ नहीं चाहिए I kind of rushed it in the sense कि time rush के चक्कर में ना before taking design approval I just said docs को ऐसे कर दो we've done it in the past it's okay
oh okay
so-
we've done it in the past के चक्कर में
वो
Just
कैश
because it
मेमोरी
was-
से आगे
हाँ,
बढ़ने
वो
की
वही किया exactly so गलती मेरी थी है ना should have asked probably
फिर what happened in the end with the
we
300
donated the swags we didn't
Okay.
use them
अच्छा you didn't
वो
use
नहीं कर
it.
सकते थे we couldn't but we donated those forward so it did still help someone so that was kind of nice
that's nice
Yeah.
like I think it was like about what 300 notebooks or something notebook pen combos so there was a Cheshire room not far off
अच्छा that's good
हाँ मतलब you know that sort of a thing at least it's not wastage
हाँ
it'll still help someone
मतलब वो
so
कहीं ना कहीं तो
sustainable
useful
तो है ही
हाँ.
वो तो ठीक है मतलब I wouldn't make that same mistake again but it wasn't the worst possible thing that could have happened and the thing is it was one screw up in the middle of 10 other things like जो event का मैंने बताया
हाँ
it is the same event where I made this mess
अच्छा.
up है ना so 25 चीज के बीच में एक it happens and it's going to happen and you just have to accept that गलतियां होंगी figure the problem solve it move forward
correct
है ना it's not going to end the company will keep moving
cool that's all what we had
sorted